Hello everyone, Agile Collector here with a mystery box, the high-end Rookie Explosion box by Filmington for September of 2023. This one's got a little bit of a ding in it from front, shipping, but cards should be good. These are usually packed pretty well. Okay, so we got 2020 Bowman, 2022 Bowman Jumbo, 22 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire, 23 Bowman Chrome, 23 Topps Cosmic Chrome. Sweet. Here's the info. And there's the peanuts. Peanuts. All right. "2018 Goodwood Champion." There's the 2020 Bowman, 22 Jumbo, so that's Ellie. Sapphire, 23 Bowman Chrome. Nice. And then Cosmic. Alright, let's see. What are we gonna do? Let's do this Champions situation. Not sure what this is about. Richie Ramone. So we got a drummer to start us off. Some hockey situation. Ryan Harrison. Alright, so I'm not sure about this like black bordered splash situation. Obviously it looks different than the others. Alright, that just seemed like a fun pack. Alright, so let's see what's next. What are we gonna do? Ooh, 2020 Bowman. Alright. Bogarts. Jazz Chisholm. Blue Bob rookie. It's not a bad pull. Focus. There we go. Blue Bob. I mean, it is the RC Explosion box. Alright. What are we gonna do next? I'll go Ellie. Hunty. Right. Bunch of rookies there. Alright, so we got the Invicta. Yay, there's a auto right there. So Kevin Alcantara was the Invicta. Alright. Anthony Rodriguez. Bone first auto, 225, 499. Sweet. Boom. Started off. Peraza. know, Ellie. We did get auto. It's pretty sick. Alright, what do we do next? Let's do the Bowman Chrome. Retro Fractor, maybe? I don't know. Corbin Carroll rookie. That's cool. Harper. Mercedes. Alright. Carroll. Put it in the rookie pile. Cosmic. Alright. Nolan Jones. And Sapphire for the win. See something nice. Alright. Marsh. I like Marsh. Ladolo. Rookie debuts. I mean, for the Sapphire update, these actually are pretty well centered. I've gotten some update Sapphire that were not good. These are pretty good. Some rookies and an auto. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Agile Collector out.